We ain't got much time. Coming back to this school one day. Looks gorgeous. They need teachers like me, whether they know it or not. I'm going to stay one more night and I'm going to have one more chance to meet Hill or Lilu. And I'm going to hang with my new daughter Zoe, my new friend Kano, and I'm going to have a relaxed, chill night. I'm going to pay $170 to change my air ticket to leave the next day or two, so I'm going to get to New York a little bit later. And not have to rush and try and make a flight. I could be cancelled anyway. So we're gonna take our sweet ass time. Because this place is heaven on earth. It is better than Gilly Tea, or maybe, I don't know, I think so. Gilly Tea's changed. Hey, what's the bamboo bridge? Bamboo bridge? Bamboo bridge. Bamboo bridge. Bamboo bridge. English, bamboo. Yeah, English, bamboo. Bamboo. Bamboo bridge. Hey guys, is it free?
It's 30 baht.
That's right. How far is it?
Is what? Keeps going. It goes like crazy.
Fucking bridge, dude.
The bridge is right here.
Oh, okay.
Like you can keep going, there's just stuff.
Yeah?
You can go for like 10-15 minutes.
10-15 minutes? Oh boy. What a day.
Don't worry.
Thanks, man. Wow. Oh, there they are, rice paddies. That's what I want to step in. This is what I want to work in. This is the job. Hello. Hello. Hello, little one. Little one. Rice patty. Cow. Cow. Learn me. Eat. Cob. Excuse me. Huh. This is the Bamboo Bridge.